Happy birthday, Napo! Get up! Coffee time!
Hey, what's up guys? It's NapoHBarista and we are out here for the whole weekend celebrating my birthday. We are in Fryeburg, Maine, and I thought today was going to be a cool day, but the sun is out. It's really hot. I'm wearing too much. How about we start this day with some really good coffee? My lovely wife, she gifted me a Chemex for my birthday. If you don't know, I broke the previous one and I think she broke the one before that. Anyway, there's two of them that we own that broke accidentally. Feels awesome to have this thing back. So, coffee time! One, two, three! I am going to be brewing coffee from Onyx Coffee Lab. It's a Guatemala Finca Isnal. It's a washed Guatemalan coffee. Single origin, of course. Beautiful flavors. I'm just in love with this coffee, but I'm also just in love with Onyx for sure. It's time to make this delicious cup of coffee. Oh man, this is probably the best filter to use for pour over. And in my opinion, the best pour over system there is. Listen, I get good tasting coffee from the Hario V60. I get good tasting coffee from the AeroPress and Kalita Wave and stuff, but nothing compares to this system right here. So I have 40 grams in. I'm gonna pour 600 milliliters of water. Okay, 60 for my bloom. We gotta go. Fortunately, our time at the Airbnb was up, and I hate drinking coffee in a rush. I managed to get it all in this mason jar. That's not good enough. So we're gonna drive to Portland, Maine, and visit some really good coffee roasters. We were visiting a shop in Austin, New York. It's called First Village Coffee. They were serving one of Tandem's coffee as a single origin espresso. Since I had that espresso, I've been dying to try and explore more of their coffee. So why not take advantage? We're in Fryeburg, Maine, just about an hour or so away. I really want to make the effort to pass by before we head back home.
This Thursday, traffic accident.
Yo, we're here. Tandem.
You all the time. I like to
Maple brown buttered custard. Alright, so we're here at Tandem. I definitely want to try a single origin. I want to try their espresso. You know, the music is slow, but the vibe is like, it's the keys to the restroom. What am I tasting here?
This is a malt iced coffee.
That's interesting. This is a single origin Ethiopian espresso.
So we got here maple brown sugar custard pie, and we're gonna give it a taste and see if it's any good.
Wow, that was good. Espresso was absolutely amazing. Real low acidity, bright, but not a boring cup. Like Kurt would say, tantalizing. It was a real tantalizing espresso. Now I want to try their regular house blend coffee as a cappuccino. We're trying their cappuccino with their house blend espresso. Ooh. The whole cappuccino experience is a lot better when you have it in a glass cup versus paper cup. So we serve all our drinks in paper cups, and I really wish we could serve it in glass cups. Alright guys, our time here is done. We've been in Maine this whole weekend. We have a long road trip back to New York, about 6 hours. Tandem was great. My stay here in Maine was awesome. It's very beautiful over here. The Chemex, oh my god. Reunited and it feels so good. Let's go. Peace. Alright guys, I'm home. It was a long drive. We drove 6 hours back to New York, but it was worth it. I had a great time. I kind of I don't like canceling serving coffee on Sundays just because, you know, people really count on you being there. The community in Harvest Time Church, they're very lovely people, and as a matter of fact, a lot of them wish me a happy birthday on Facebook. Thank you all for your birthday wishes, and a special thank you to my wife. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button. I really feel happy. Thanks to my beautiful and lovely wife. I love you. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm a happy man. God bless you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.